Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you a very cool mod you could do to your Honda Pilot. Alright guys, check it out. These are lift supports for your hood. That way you could get rid of that rod. How cool is this? I didn't even know they made these for the Honda Pilot, to be honest. The guys at Amazon contacted me and sent me a pair to try out, and I'm pretty excited. Got like a carbon fiber look. It's pretty cool. It comes with these brackets, and you use the stock bolts. And these instructions are for 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot, but they make other ones for your car. So check out their Amazon store and see if there's anything that fits your vehicle. So let's put these on. Okay, so my biggest complaint about a lot of these products that come from overseas is that the instructions are not very detailed. They just tell you, please take off the original bolts A and B, and then install the brackets A and B. Okay, so these are the brackets. It doesn't tell you which one's A and B. It doesn't tell you over here what bolts is A and B, okay? So you just kind of got to go by the pictures. So based on these pictures, you match up your bracket. So that's that. And that one's going to go here to that bolt, okay? The one on the other side goes to that bolt over there. And then this bracket, you match up these guys to it, okay? So this one's going to go on that bolt on top here. And this other bracket on the other side. Okay, but it doesn't tell you that, bracket 40 is this one and bracket 224 is this one. It doesn't tell you anything. I mean, these came with washers. These didn't. So I don't know why, but I don't know. Let's take some of these bolts off and throw it on. Okay, now you're just gonna put these in the hole, and they usually push right in, like that. All right, guys, check it out. They look pretty cool. And they work great, check it out. One-handed. How cool is that? And you no longer have this stupid rod in the way, okay? So the only thing that I would complain about is these brackets, okay? The instructions don't tell you whether to put them this way or that way. When I first put these on, I put them with this facing down. But then the hood wasn't closing smoothly, so I switched them around. I actually, from side to side, I was messing around with them a little bit, and this seems to be the best way to put them, okay? And now, doesn't matter which way you put them, they always seems to move a little bit and shift, okay? So they don't sit straight. And I think maybe if the bracket would have been made either wider, so it sits in this little track, or longer, so it sits square against this edge, or even over here, instead of having it like that, it should have been made more of a 90-degree down, and then it would have braced against here. But it doesn't matter how tight you put them, they're always going to move a little bit. So, but it's fine. It works fine. It looks good. It's pretty awesome, I think. So, see, it doesn't hit anything up here. Okay. And the close is nice. There you go. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.